This is how to download slides from NotebookLM. From your NotebookLM dashboard, select a notebook you want to download the slides from. For this guide, we will choose this one. Then we will select our slides right here under the Studio panel and just click this three dots right here and choose what format you want to download. So for instance, we will choose download PowerPoint and just click save. And if you want to just download a specific slide, so choose a slide you want to download. So for instance, this one, just right click and open image in a new tab, and right click again and click save as image as, and just click save. So this is how to download slides from NotebookLM.